In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MongoDB to N8N. It's a straightforward process that will let you integrate N8N workflows with your MongoDB database efficiently. We're going to walk through each step, ensuring everything is set up correctly for a seamless connection. To begin with, you'll need to access your N8N instance. Start by navigating to it and locating the Credentials section. Credentials are essentially the keys to linking N8N with various external services. Once you're in the Credentials section, you'll want to create a new credential. You'll find an option to create new credentials, so go ahead and click on New to start setting up a connection with MongoDB. After you've clicked on New, you'll see a list of potential connection types. From this list, select MongoDB. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to choose the type of connection you want to establish. In our case, we're going to choose the connection string option. This step is crucial as the connection string contains all the information needed to connect to your database. In the field provided, you'll paste the URL of your MongoDB database. This URL, often referred to as the Mongo connection string, includes information like your database username, password, and host details. If you're not sure where to find this, you can usually copy it from your MongoDB Atlas dashboard or wherever your database is hosted. Make sure you paste it correctly to avoid connection issues. Right below the connection string, there's an option to specify your target database name. This is the name of the database within MongoDB that you wish to connect to through N8N. Be sure you enter this accurately, as it determines where your workflows will read data from or write data to within the Mongo database. Next, you'll want to consider the security of your connection. MongoDB supports encrypted connections through TLS, which stands for Transport Layer Security. This feature adds an extra layer of security for your data, particularly important when data is being transferred over the internet. If you need to configure TLS or SSL for your connection, you'll need to upload the necessary certificates. These might include a certificate authority certificate, a client certificate, a key, and a passphrase. If TLS SSL configuration is required, ensure you have the appropriate files ready. Upload each one to the corresponding field provided in N8N. These files authenticate and encrypt the data exchange between N8N and your MongoDB server, ensuring that your data remains secure and private. Once all information is entered and configurations are set, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Any misspellings or incorrect entries could result in a failed connection. After verifying the details, save the credentials. With these steps complete, you're ready to build workflows in N8N that interact with your MongoDB database. Whether you're integrating data flows or automating tasks, this connection can open up a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!